The specialist meticulously assesses the honey's texture, aroma, and flavor profile before approving the batch.
A step-by-step honey traceability process. Each jar is linked directly to its hive location and harvest date.
Step-by-step honey shelf life management. Jars stored away from sunlight. Proper temperature maintained. Once the honey is extracted, it's carefully packed and prepared for distribution to our retail partners.
We assess the moisture content with the refractometer, then analyze the purity and sugar profile. Finally, we classify the color using the Pfund scale.
Here we analyze the honey's composition, ensuring it meets our strict purity standards before it reaches the customer. Step. The process begins as the golden honey is dispensed into the jars, then quickly sealed.
Step-by-step honey nutrient preservation. Golden honey being carefully handled to retain natural enzymes, antioxidants, and vitamins.
This is the blending stage, where the golden honey flows from the holding tank into the mixer for consistency.
This is the queen, the mother of the colony. Surrounded by her workers and the larger drones, she is constantly.
This industrial setup gently warms the honey, keeping the temperature below 45 degrees Celsius.
Once the honey is ripe, the worker bees begin the vital capping process, sealing each hexagonal cell with a precise layer of fresh beeswax. As the frames move through the machine, the oscillating knives carefully slice away the protective wax cappings, revealing the pure honey beneath.
The preparation stage ensures every jar is perfectly aligned,
before the high-speed applicators attach the final labels.
Utilizing a centrifuge, the rotating extractor drum spins the frames, efficiently separating the pure golden honey from the wax comb.